Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we will learn how we can install MAMP on Mac OS. So first of all you have to download it, which can be downloaded from their official website, which is mamp.info, and you have to go to this particular route to download it. And here you can see that we have a drop down option. In case you will click that, you will get the option to download it for Intel and M1 chip. In our case it is Intel, so I will simply click on download it for Mac. I have already downloaded to save some of our time. I will simply click on the package to install, click continue, another continue, and it is asking for the license. Okay, I will agree to their license and click install. Since it is installing, so I would like to tell you that MAMP comes with the package, so you get MAMP Pro as well as MAMP. So most of you would like to simply go with the MAMP, so you don't have to install it separately. You get the MAMP as well as MAMP Pro in this package. With the MAMP you can host your websites like WordPress, PHP website, or any other scripts that run on Apache, Nginx, PHP and MySQL. Let's wait for it to get installed. Then I will show you that how we can set up PHP MyAdmin. Okay, it is installed, so I will simply go to it. Is here saying that if you would like to move the installer to the bin, you can simply click on move it to the bin. So now I will go to the application to see our MAMP. Here you have MAMP as well as MAMP Pro. So we would like to just use the MAMP, so I will just simply click on MAMP. Here we have option to start the server. I will click on it. From here, before starting, you can also set up the PHP version of your server, of your local server. Okay, so our MAMP is running. I can simply go to this route. I will just explore what the things I have got on the landing page of this installer. Here from the tools you can go to PHP MyAdmin. Okay, from the new you can simply add a new database or anything that you would like to do. Okay, now let's see what is there in the PHP info. Okay, that's nothing but it is telling that what are the configuration of our PHP. Okay, I will just simply close it because we just wanted to show you that how we can install the MAMP. Okay, if you would click on this MySQL thing, then you will see the details of your MySQL, like what is the port, what is the username, and what is the password. I hope this video was helpful. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching.